Good morning, students. Mrs. Stein here, and I am thrilled to be with you on this very important Tuesday morning. We like to call this School Year 2.0 because we know since August you all have been working so hard with your teachers and growing and learning with your class virtually. Beginning today, we now have different learning models within our school. We have some students who have stayed with their teachers and remained virtual. We have some students who have changed teachers but will remain virtual. We have some students who will stay with their teachers and come hybrid to school on 2 days a week. And we have some students who are with new teachers and will come to school hybrid 2 days a week. No matter what your learning model is, though, we have the same dedication and the same vision for all of our students. We all are going to love, learn, lead, succeed, starting today in our 2.0 model. We are all going to make sure that everybody feels cared for, that we're showing kindness, and that we make sure everyone belongs in their new learning setting. This is an exciting day for us. We hope that you have a wonderful time with your teachers in your new schedules, and we can't wait to see how all of your important learning happens very soon. Enjoy this wonderful day, Ballinger Creek. We'll see you soon.